welcome to Stroll with HMTV channel. Today we are going to spend some time in Jordan Lake. This lake is located in Chatham, Durham County of North Carolina. Jordan Lake is a 14,000 acre reservoir located in West Cary. There are really numerous things can be done in this lake. It has 1,000 plus campsites, 7 swim beaches, a lot of hiking spots, boat launching ramps, fishing spots, playgrounds and much more. So we are in a spot where we have a playground and an access to the beach. We are in one of the swim beach here, and Harshini packed a lot of beach toys to have fun in the sand.
Took me so long to make. I first buried my dad's legs when he was lying down and talking to his friend, and now I was making a sandcastle with it. And wait, you took my flag! It's okay, he just broke it. I put a leaf, connected it to it.
Amaru loves to play in the water, so every time he sees the water, he is in it. Thank you for staying with us guys. If you want to watch more of our videos, subscribe to our channel and give a big thumbs up. Thank you.